This used to be a bustling street, but with so many storm terror attacks recently... So, a wind outriders use them to ride the wind. I brought you here to give it to you, so you...
Oh, you're really excited about these wind gliders, huh?
Well, that's because the wind is the heart... Alrighty then, it's easy to use, but you still need to...
I'll keep this close. Yeah.
The sky...
You've actually got the power to go up against the dragon. Are you a new ally? Or a new storm?
Storm Terror is attacking Mondstadt itself! Kaya, Traveler, you've come at the right time.
Hold on, Amber. Are you perhaps forgetting to introduce us?
Oh, right. This is Kaya, our cavalry captain. These two are travelers from afar.
From afar? Is that all we know of them?
Long story short...
I see. Welcome to Mondstadt. Though you haven't arrived at the best of times, I'm afraid. I understand the anguish of being separated from family. I'm not really sure why you're looking for the Animo God. But everyone has their secrets. Relax. I won't press you for more. First and foremost, on behalf of the Knights of Favonius, I would like to extend our thanks to... how about a traditional Mondstadt delicacy? Your fight to defend the city against the dragon. The acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius is also very interested in meeting...
Except for the local tavern near the city wall over there. They haven't been affected. If anything, their business is better than ever.
Is this an answer from this world?
Seems to be the Knights of Favonius headquarters. Let's head in.
Jean, what's the hurry? I thought we agreed to meet them here.
There have been sightings of storm terror outside the city. Once we meet, we must...
Relax. I'll lend a hand when the time comes.
Jean, I've brought them. And once it was over, I brought them straight here.
Mondstadt welcomes you, Windborn travelers. I am Jean, acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius. This is Lisa, our resident librarian.
Oh, are you sweeties here to help us out? You're both so Sadly, the timing is regrettable. Storm Terror has caused quite a ruckus in the region. Simply put, Mondstadt's elemental sphere and ley lines are... For a mage, it couldn't get much worse. My skin is one elemental particle away.
If it weren't for this interference, the Knights of Favonius would have better ways to help you than just... We simply ask that you repose in Mondstadt while we help you seek out your sister.
Paimon will help too.
Good. In that case, we need a plan.
With Storm Terror now directly attacking Mondstadt, we may have an... Lisa has revealed the sources of Storm Terror's power with her...
Is that so?
They're located in the abandoned Four Winds Temple. Storm Terror's ability to whip up these kinds of storms.
Our objective is to deal with 3... I trust everyone understands why we're...
Paimon doesn't.
Knights of Favonius, the storm is rampant. There's no... Alright, we need to take initiative. Jing, the Dandelion Knight, requesting approval to join your party. From this day onwards, my honor and loyalty lie with you.
My name is Yanfei, top legal expert in Liyue, and for the avoidance of doubt, no one else comes close.
From now on, the adventures will probably get more and more dangerous. We should make sure we're prepared. We could start by going to Mondstadt's blacksmith.
What? Over there. Take your pick.
Wow, he just...
Of course. I sell well. All you need is the ore. No. Buy from... You look confused. Bring some back and I'll help you forge what... No need.
He seems like a short-tempered guy.
This weather's got me in the mood for reciting some laws. Let's see. Commercial Law of Leela, Chapter 27, Section 6, Article 3 stipulates that... Wait, what was it? Oh my goodness, I've completely forgotten. What is wrong with me today?
The wind! Wind blade!
Incinerate! Go as one! Go, Baron Bunny!
Wind blade!
I hope the others find some. Another target tracked down by Outrider Amber. Ooh, we can definitely write this off as incidental gains. Yeah. Motion to compel.
You've arrived. Come closer. Can you smell that? Something must have happened in the temple. I imagine there will be slimes, hilly churls, and... Oh yes, it is going to be... As bustling as it may be, it's a pity that the Temple of the Wolf has been... Let's head in. No one makes offerings to the Four Winds anymore. We need to clear out the temples. Let me show you how the Knights of Favonius come. If I'm not mistaken, the end of the temple should be up there.
Wait, how do you know?
Experience. The kind of experience you get after years of dealing with things like this for others. Traveler, if I'm mistaken, you don't seem to have a vision. So how exactly is it that you're able to channel elemental energy?
It was a very strange occurrence. Finally, we're here.
Seems the path ends here. Let's use the wind currents to fly up. Observation. We should get Jing to give you a title and make you a knight. Speaking of, did you know? Storm Terror was once one of the Four Winds. I'm not aware of the exact details. If you're interested, you can ask the acting Grand Master about it.
Is that the thing that Storm Terror is using to gain its power?
Seems probable. Let's deal. Bravo! What a performance! You are, to my surprise, a well-trained knight. The battles you just fought were sights to behold. I see you already have the knightly virtue of modesty. Stories of your heroic deeds to save Mondstadt from destruction shall be known throughout the city of Free. Please do visit me at our headquarters. I also know a lovely tavern, if that's more your thing. Quite rewarding, no?
We've seized another temple from Storm Terror's grasp.
I can take care of the rest here. You go take care of other things while I'm at it.
See you later then, bye-bye.
There's no way hilly churls organized an ambush like this themselves. Not with their limited mental capacity. Thus you were behind this.
Knights of Favonius, always so inefficient.
Agree to disagree, but Your involvement in this just made things a whole lot more interesting. Kaya, Knight of Favonius. Please allow me... This will be interesting.
This is it. One of the deserted these temples have been left to waste. There's a chance there's a... Even Storm Terror has given up on it. Yes. I also find... Wait! Did you just... The wind here? Let's go in and take a look. You can use that capsule to open the door. Wow, I can see so far into the temple. Yeah.
Freeze!
Oh no! A horn! The fighting must have got them riled up. Well, good thing I've prepared my secret weapon, explosive puppet Berry Bunny. Are those explosive barrels over there? Well, one shot should be able to blow them up. It's so high. Seems like there's something up there.
But how do we get across? Isn't this a pyro monument? If we hit it with a powerful pyro attack...
Dragon's breath! Phew, but at least this way in the past, we were at least able... This, of course, is most... But now with Storm Terror directly, the winds change. So too should our tactics. It's what Lisa... Speaking of which, the Four Winds, if you want to learn more about our... I'm not saying I don't know our I mean...
It's good to meet you at last, traveler.